Point A has coordinates 2, 2, 1, point B has coordinates 5, 4, 2, and point C has coordinates 4, 1, 0. Find the Cartesian equation of the plane which contains A, B, and C. So if we have a quick sketch of the plane, then we've got A is at 2, 2, 1. B is at 5, 4, 2, and C is at 4, 1, 0. So if we look at the directions here, this would be 3, 2, 1, and this direction here would be 2, negative 1, negative 1. So if we want the normal to this plane, we can cross these two. Now this is the calculator paper, so I could do this cross product on the calculator, but I'm not going to here. So I, J, K, and we have 3, 2, 1, and 2, negative 1, negative 1. So that gives us negative 2, take away negative 1. So negative 2, add 1, negative 1. For the J we get negative 3, take away 2. So that's negative 5, but with the J we change the sign. And then for the K we've got negative 3, take away 4. So that's negative 7. Now we can use R dot N is equal to A dot N, and we could use any of these points. I'm going to use A. So that gives me R dot negative 1, 5, negative 7 is negative 2, add 10. So negative 2 add 10 is 8, take 7 is 1. So I can say minus x plus 5y minus 7z equals 1. Find the coordinates of the point of intersection of the plane and this line. So we have x is negative 8 plus 5 lambda, y is equal to 8 minus 3 lambda, and z is negative 1 plus lambda. Let's substitute that in here. So we've got minus x, so that will be 8 minus 5 lambda, plus 5y, so that's plus 5 lots of 8 minus 3 lambda, and then take away 7 lots of negative 1 plus lambda, and that's got to be equal to 1. So I think I might just solve that on the calculator. So let's solve 8 minus 5x, add 5 lots of 8 minus 3x, take away 7 lots of negative 1, add x, and put that equal to 1. And that gives me x is 2, so I can say lambda equals 2, and then substitute back to here. So that's going to be negative 8 add 10, which is 2, 8 take away 6, which is 2, and negative 1 add 2, which is 1. So it actually intersects at the point A. Find the exact shortest distance of the point 3, 1, 3 from the plane. So let's construct a parallel plane containing this point. So R dot negative 1, 5, negative 7 is 3, 1, 3 dot negative 1, 5, negative 7. So R dot -1, 5, -7 would be. So -3, add 5, take away 21. So that is going to be -24, add 5 is -19. So the distance for this one is going to be -19 over the modulus of the normal. That's going to be 1, add 25, add 49, 75. So root 75, which is -19 over, 75 is 25 times 3, so that would be 5 root 3, which is -19 root 3 over 15. And d2, distance of this one, since the right hand side here is 1, is just going to be root 3 over 15. And because this one's negative, this one's positive, that means that one of them is this side and one of them is that side, like so. So the distance here is going to be 20 root 3 over 15, and that's going to be 4 root 3 over 3.